Bro.
Comb your hair?
Okay, go ahead.
She's not gonna cry.
The comb doesn't work there, Brad. You need a brush.
Daddy, you need a bus.
Okay.
When we go get a bus, I will get up. I'm not gonna question you, okay?
Okay.
Because you need a bus. You don't need a comb. Well, you need a comb. She's just
I created a new elixir, one that could turn animals into
Daddy, are you okay?
Someone was able to reverse
Yeah, I'm getting my hair done.
that gas is telling
You want to get a rainbow hair?
Rainbow hair now.
But I don't have rainbow hair.
Okay.
So I'm just getting a brown hair.
Okay.
Well, who else would have had access to it? I suspect whoever we were chasing is the culprit. We have to find them. But all the doors are locked. We don't even know which way they went. Well, they have
Are we
to
done?
go somewhere.
Are we done?
No, because you need to do this side back,
Uh-huh.
and then you need to do that side.
I need to do it or you need to do it?
Give me a second.
Maybe I just finished my hair.
Okay.
And that's why your hair's not finished.
Okay.
And I'm going to do this side,
Now, if you pull the wire,
this side. There you go.
well, that works too.
Are we done now?
I'm done.
Yeah.
But we need a comb. And then you can be done, okay?
We need to get into some water.
Can we island it?
What are you going to comb?
The brush and the comb.
You going to comb the beard?
Yeah, yeah. Daddy, sit down. If you move, then I'm not combing.
Okay.
I need another comb.
There's a comb there.
You need this. This brush comb. Yeah, you need this.
Yes, ma'am.
You're telling me I'm gonna be stuck this slow forever?
I thought you was using it for the beard.
No. I'm used for daddy.
At least Liv's cute.
Daddy.
Yes.
What?
Oh, yes.
No, you are not done, Daddy, okay?
I'm not done.
No.
I have to go to the store.
My comb.
No, you have to do your hair.
Your hair is going to take time to do.
And then we can go with you.
Yeah.
And you
No, not
will.
now. You can't go to the store right now. Maybe later when I'm done with your hair.
Okay.
It takes time to do.
Are we done now?
No.
Can I go?
Huh?
Can I go now?
No. I'm not gonna get up. Grandma,
Yeah.
I need that so I
I can't give it to you because I'm using it.
Where's the yellow one?
I'm using it. You can't get it. No, you can't get it.
Okay.
Down, boys. There. Purple. Did you do this to us? You're adorable.
I'm gonna use
You turned me in red.
Daddy, maybe you need shit.
Ajaya, you can't keep turning around like
I
that.
need this for you, Daddy.
What is that?
Some oil for you.
Yeah, and fish only have a memory span of 1 minute.
Okay, no,
Why
this.
did you do this to us? Because
Okay.
if you remember, I was orphaned after my entire family passed away in a house fire. As a kid, I was forced to hop foster homes a lot. I always
Daddy,
had
can you
trouble
open
connecting with
it?
No.
my families and
I can't.
Nothing could replace what I'd lost.
Just pretend sprayed on there.
Who's there? But then I discovered another type of companionship. Many of these homes had pets, you see, and they kept me company in my darkest times. The unconditional love of pets was all the love I had in the world, and I bonded with them.
Much better than the fleeting mothers, fathers, and
Okay.
siblings I went through.
Maybe you need something. I'm gonna go get something. If you get up, I'm not gonna call you. I'm gonna.
If I get up, you're not gonna call me.
Just a little bit less.
Okay, so that means I'm gonna get up.
I promised myself that when I grew up,
No.
I would have a house full of pets
Sit
that
down.
loved me as much as I loved them.
She said no. Sit down.
I finally had that opportunity. I found the scrawniest little dog I've ever seen. Some monster must have dumped him by an orphanage. Thankfully, we found each other. Soon enough, that dog became my best friend. Every day I'd sneak out of the orphanage to play with him.
Bro,
Secretly give him a snack.
Daddy gotta go to the store.
No, you are not gonna get ready to go.
I gotta go get strawberries, mommy.
You could have rabies, cow disease.
Huh? So what?
And the only thing left that loved me. And the next time I went to look for him, he was gone.
What are you looking for?
Swept away in the storm, exposed to the elements. Then I saw him. He's on my little buddy.
What is that?
I'll put it here.
Oh my gosh.
He deserved better. If I couldn't have any life, I'm glad I could. As an adult, I was determined to get a dog.
What are you tweezing?
But with my financial
This,
situation,
I think
it never
this
got happened.
TV.
So
Yeah.
I decided I should turn you
That's
all
what
over.
I'm doing those.
I know you
Like,
already like me.
what? I need for on nails.
I can't believe you do this to us.
What do you
Transform
know?
us into your plaything.
I don't want to do my nails. I want you to finish my hair so I can go. Are you done with my hair?
No.
So,
Grandma, can you give me a comb? I'm a comb.
you already used the comb already.
No.
Say what you've done, Pepper.
I think you're done. Can I go, please?
Down to our animalistic tendencies.
My hair is done. Look at it. It looks pretty. See?
It's a rainbow.
Yeah, it looks like a rainbow. So it's done.
But maybe do your nails.
I don't want to do my nails today.
You do.
No, I don't want to do my nails today.
Yes.
Can we do them tomorrow?
No.
I could use some help
We're
here.
not doing it tomorrow.
I don't want to do my nails today.
No, you need
I have to go get juice for you and strawberries. Can I go get juice and strawberries and then I'll come back, please? I don't want to do my nails. They're already done.
They did it.
Yeah.
They did it.
Okay, sweet. So Daddy's gonna go now. Yeah? You want a hug? Thank you for doing my hair, sweetie.
Daddy, I want to hug you.
Can you ever forgive me? Hardwired ambition.
Daddy, I want to hug too.
Okay, I'm coming to give you a hug too. Thank you for doing my hair, okay? This is pretty nice. I like it. Thank you.